Some coasters build suspense, this one skips it. This is Looping Star at Nagashima Spa Land. Raw speed, zero mercy. Front row, let's go. Looping Star was definitely better than expected. It was really smooth. It said shakes violently.
Is it? It shakes me violently.
To see more of the park, you can click the button at the bottom of the page to subscribe to our channel, or click the video next to it that YouTube is recommending that you watch next. As always, thank you very much for watching. We have been Troy and Asha from Coaster Couple, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Hoping you can join us for the ride.